Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm a Canadian who's in Asia and I love to cook. I've been cooking with lots of volunteers from the Philippines, from Japan, from China, all over the place. While I'm in Asia, I thought I'd share some of the recipes that I love to cook. Please join me or subscribe to this channel. Cook It Up with Ron Ron. We'll use this for a title for now. And today's dish is curry. I love comfort foods made at home. Here's some lasagna dishes I've cooked. And some stir fries. But today's dish is homemade curry with rice. Okay, let's get started with these ingredients. You're gonna need some cubes. Any cubes will do. That ingredient list we're gonna put in the comment section. We have curry powder and garlic and tomatoes we're gonna need, peppers, and of course again carrots, 1 to 2 onions, even a quarter pumpkin, depending on the size. Garlic, tomato, onion, and pumpkin. 2 to 3 tomatoes are gonna be diced. Potatoes also diced. I've used sweet potatoes or pumpkin, whatever's your flavor. The lentils, they're going to be put in water. Onions and pumpkins are going to be diced and put in a container. First, oil with the garlic and then chicken. There's the chopped chicken in cubes, bite size. That's our side dishes. Get them ready, please. We're going to start with the chicken with low heat, and then later the vegetables with low heat. Put the chicken and veggies aside. We're going to add curry powder, only 2 spoons of curry powder or curry seasoning. Smells great. This is what the curry powder should look like. You're going to keep mixing it, and as you're adding the vegetables and chicken, you're going to add your cubes. And half a cup of water. Slowly does it with the lentils. And you're going to keep stirring until the cubes are dissolved. Continue to stir at low temperature. And there you go. That's a walkthrough for curry with rice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can subscribe. Here are the list of ingredients we're going to put in the comments section as well. These are foods from Canada. I'm not sure if I'll cook them all here, but I do love sushi. We might make it here. Definitely fudge brownies, delicious. Chocolate cake, layered up to 3. And our favorite, poutine. You'll never know what dish we're gonna cook, and that's me in front of Tim Hortons. Hope to catch you soon. Please subscribe to this channel and like this page. Thank you. Have a great day, and give us any suggestions you have.